So I get asked like all the time, you know, like, hey, how do you put your lashes on? It looks so hard, it seems so hard. And to be honest, it was hard for like 4 years. Like, I've been wearing makeup since I was 18, like the very end of my senior year of high school, and I'm 22 now. And in those 4 years, I have never been able to successfully put on false lashes. But here's the thing, and here's the thing with like a lot of makeup things. Just because you can't do it now doesn't mean you can't do it later. You know what I mean? For like basically the entire time I was at college, I could do like liner, I could do eyeshadow, I could do face blending, blah blah blah, I could do everything. But I couldn't figure out how to put on false lashes, and it always bothered me so much. The only way you learn how to do it is if you actually sit down and like practice. Like, just get yourself like a drugstore brand, like $3-4 pair, and just like practice putting it on. False lashes, like many other makeup things like contouring and doing highlighter or doing eyeliner or doing a smoky eye, these things take practice, they take time, you know what I mean? I didn't learn how to do all these things, you know, just doing it the first time. I mean, I spent hours and hours and so many of my days off and just spent so much time trying to learn how to do these certain looks and perfect looks. And so maybe a few words of encouragement would be to practice. I mean, that line could be said for anything, especially for false lashes, because even though I can kind of put them on pretty okay, there are days where I'm getting ready and I have to keep reapplying the glue and sticking it on, and then the glue gets on like everywhere, because you know what I mean, like, you have your good days, you have your bad days, you have days where you struggle in general, and makeup is no different. So yeah, if you want to see the easiest way to put on mascara. If you want to see the if you want to see the easiest way to put on false lashes, keep on watching. Let's see, man. Don't mind the bags under my eyes. A bitch ain't getting no sleep. So, boom. Here's where we start. These are your lashes. Well, these are my lashes. These are the lashes I have. They are the House of Lashes. They're like the Sephora brand. I don't know if you can see it. This is the box. And Marigold. And these are how they look. I don't even know if you can see it, low-key. Okay, this shit is crusty. You're not gonna be able to see it. But on my eyes, it's like popping. Alright, so the way that I always do it, right to left, I start with the right eye. And that's, I don't know, I usually go from right to left. I feel like I always have success that way. Grab your lash. This is my lash. You're gonna grip it in the middle. Grip your tweezer. Grip it in the middle. Where's my goddamn lash glue? Don't tell me this fault. Oh boy. Whew. So, big forehand gang. Anyways. So what you want, oh, another thing that I forgot to tell you. Say your lash band is like flat like this, hold on. And it's not like roundy, because if your eyes are like my eyeballs and they're like round, if that makes sense, what you do is this. You take both ends and you wiggle it just like that. Just like that. And when you do that, gross. When you do that, it makes it really like kind of like a soft U. So that's a little tip and trick for if, you know, whenever your lashes, the lash band gets like less like this and more like that, if that makes sense. Alright, so take the tweezer in the middle, take your lash glue, you're going to coat the bottom part of the lash, the bottom band. What the fuck is this? Going to coat it evenly. You don't want to put too much, but then you don't want to put too little. You want to make sure both ends are coated. Oh, go ahead. You want to make sure both ends are coated nicely. Spread it out evenly. All right. Make sure you're looking down to make it easiest. Look at yourself in the mirror and your reflection. Set this. You want to set this in the middle. And stick it on as best as you can. If you struggle, like I am right now, it's okay. And I'm struggling. Let's try. Alrighty, set, goddammit. Clamp it down, press it down. The tweezers are angled for a reason, so don't be afraid to use the angles to make sure your inner corner part of the lash sticks in nice. Don't be afraid to look down to make sure it's staying in right. And that it's following your natural lash line. Because you don't want it to be like up here. You want it to like follow the curve of your lash line. So here I am, it's on. What I want to do, just to make sure it doesn't fly off later, because I know today's windy, clamp it down from here, clamp it, make sure it's glued to also your natural lashes so that it doesn't really fly away. Clamp, 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 clamp. There you have it. Where's the second piece? So, like we did in this eye, what we're going to do in this one, we are going to put the black liner on the lash band right here. Because I don't know if you can see this little bit of like reflective piece. It's not cute and it makes it very obvious that you have false lashes. So what we're going to do, take that liner. We're going to go over the lash band so that it blends in with the black eyeliner that I have now. So look down. Start from your inner corner. Go over the lash band. Oh yeah, and pinch. Pinch, 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 pinch. Pinch, pinch. So what you do is you take your mascara like I did with the other eye. Any mascara will do. Look down. And you blend. And there you have it. That's how you put false lashes on.
Mi sonrisa te mata, soy como una gata. Acuérdate quién soy, yo soy Bibi Chocolata. La manera en que me trata, no quiero ser ingrata. No me falta nada cuando estoy enamorada. Hola, hola, hola. Me pregunto si estoy sola. Y yo le dije que estaba.
Yeah, and so that is the video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Take care.